Hi everybody, it's Claire, ARC Essentials, with the Oily Reel for you today. This is for all you newbie oil users. You're the first group, this is the first time you've ever had essential oils in your home or in your life. Yay, congratulations! We made this video specifically for you to help you not be scared. It's not scary. And sometimes when you go to a class or you attend an online class, you tend to forget all the basics when you get your oils. We're obviously going to be contacting you and supporting you through your oily journey, but this video is here for you today so you can not be scared and you can open your essential oils and get going right away. Okay, so you got your essential oils in the mail. That is so awesome. Number one, get them out. Open that box, get your essential oils out, put them in a spot that you're going to see them every day. I always suggest the kitchen because we're always in our kitchens, right? I have a little oil holder in my kitchen. It's just a cute little piece of wood with holes in it for your oils. Whatever you're gonna use, I've seen people use like a really pretty bowl or a nice tray. Just get your essential oils out and have them somewhere you can see them. Starting to use essential oils and natural products is really just about changing your habits. So as long as you can see your essential oils and they're in your sight line, you're gonna use them. Cool. So take the lids off your oils. This may seem simple, but I've seen people open them up, look at them, and not use them. Take all the caps off, have a smell of all of them, remind yourself what they're for. If you don't remember, you can contact us, but there's lots and lots of resources out there. We'll link some up below in the comments. Number one, you can diffuse, right? That's pretty basic. You can make your home smell amazing by using a diffuser. This is the Lumo diffuser. If you got the Home Essentials kit, then you're gonna have the pedal, but same concept. You're gonna fill it up with cool water, not hot water, cool. There's a little red mark inside the diffuser that shows you where you can fill it up to. Pretty basic, right? So you're gonna fill it up with water and then you're gonna add your essential oils right to it. How many drops should you put in your diffuser? You know what? That really depends on your space and how strong you want the smell to be. So for oils like lavender, for instance, I find them personally to be really strong, so I use a lot less. Oils like Balance, I find them to be a lot more subtle, so I use a few more drops. In general though, as you know from the class you attended or the workshop you've listened to, doTERRA's essential oils are therapeutic grade, meaning they're 100% pure. So they're gonna be a lot stronger than your typical essential oils that maybe you have been using. So I would say for this diffuser, if it's an oil that's a bit stronger, I'm gonna put around 2 or 3 drops in this diffuser. I have a pretty open house, so I find that I need a few more. If you're gonna put them in a bedroom or a room that's closed, you might only need 2. But really it's about experimentation. So just fill up your diffuser with some water, put some oils in, and see if it's to the level of aroma that you like. And if it's not, you can easily adjust. Dump some out, add some more water, or add a few more drops of essential oil. Easy peasy, right? The other way you can diffuse is on the go. So let's say you need a pick-me-up halfway through the day, you're gonna take your peppermint oil, you're just gonna drop a little into your hand like so, rub your hands together, and then instant clear airways, jolt of energy, I'm awake and I'm ready to rock. So that's another way you can diffuse while out and about. And that's more of an immediate effect on your brain chemistry. So cool, right? The second way to use essential oils, just so you remember, is topically. So you can rub them on your body. You always want to dilute a pure essential oil when you're applying it topically on your skin. We do this for 2 reasons. Number one, some essential oils are hot, like cinnamon oil and peppermint oil can feel really cold. So we're doing it to minimize skin sensitivity. We're also doing it because you're using a pure essential oil. The molecules will just evaporate right off your skin before your skin has a chance to really absorb them. So the carrier oil, like a coconut oil or a jojoba or an argan, is going to ensure that it holds those essential oil molecules next to your skin so that your body has a chance to absorb and use them. So I use fractionated coconut oil. Fractionated just means that they've taken the protein out of the coconut oil, so it's liquid all the time. Otherwise, in winter, this would be rock solid and you wouldn't be able to get it out of the jar. So fractionated is so handy. I put mine in a pump because I find it easier to use. You can use however you like. You can buy fractionated coconut oil from the grocery store. Make sure you get a good one because you're using good essential oils. You want to dilute them in something pure. This one is from doTERRA, and they use a wonderful coconut oil, so you can always order that with your essential oil order as well. So what I do is I just squirt some coconut oil in my hand like so, and then I would just add the essential oils directly to my hand, rub, 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 apply to your body wherever that may be, wherever you need it. Bottoms of your feet are the classic place to put essential oils if you don't know where to put them. Bottoms of your feet are gonna have a full body experience. If you have gut issues and you're using them for your gut, you're obviously gonna rub them on your gut. If you're having anxiety or stress, you're gonna do insides of your wrist points, back of your neck, insides of your arms, any kind of pressure point like that. It can be really intuitive. And again, there's lots of resources to continue. So if you have a specific ailment, make sure you go and watch the video for that ailment, and we'll explain how and where to use the oils in that case. The last way to use your essential oils that we really want to make sure you're doing is internally. The coolest thing about doTERRA is that because we have pure therapeutic grade essential oils, you can ingest them. Make sure you read your labels. If you don't know which essential oils you can ingest and which you can't, it's going to say right on the bottle. Frankincense, obviously an ingestible oil, safe for internal use. Okay, it's going to say right on the label, no problem. So you can put the oils directly under your tongue. You could put them in a little bit of drinking water and just shoot it right back. You could also use a veggie cap. So veggie caps just look like this. This whole bottle I think is around $5. You can also order these with your oils, and they're just empty capsules. So if you want to take the flu bomb, for instance, to support your immune system, that's oregano, tea tree, On Guard, frankincense, and digestin, then you're going to want to put 2 drops of each one of those oils in this veggie cap. Why is that? Because oregano is very, very strong, and you don't want to just drop that under your tongue. Trust me, you'll regret it. So make sure that you use a veggie cap or a little bit of water and wash those oils right down. Don't forget, you get 100% of the therapeutic benefit of an oil when you use it internally. So if you can use it internally, not all plants are ingestible, use it internally. The last way I wanted to talk to you about using your oils today is for cleaning it in your home. There's a huge movement towards decreasing our toxic load in our home, making greener choices, being around less chemicals, right? Chronic disease is on the rise for a reason. So we make hand soap, you can make room spray, you need basic ingredients. This is my all-purpose cleaner for my bathroom, pretty little glass bottles, labeled nicely. These bottles you can get on Amazon so affordably. These ones also, same with this hand soap. You can either use doTERRA hand soap or you can make your own. There's a whole other video on green cleaning. You can go and watch that. But my favorite thing to do is just use the plain Castile soap, which is right here, unscented Castile soap, a few essential oils, top it up with water. It makes the best green cleaner. If you check out our Facebook group, The Oily Reel, you can see all the green cleaning recipes on there. That's it. Easy, right? Get out your oils, start using them. You won't regret it.